Okay, so Rob is saying that when he upgraded to the latest version, which is version 14, um, that he only has one audio track and one video track. And he's gotten already some good comments regarding this. But I thought maybe I would elaborate on this and show other people how it works. So in version 14, they have actually made some improvements to track management. In other words, the new system, the magnetic timeline, and I have a video of that. I'll post a link in the comments. Does also track management for you. So you can put stuff down on your track right here, but then if you want something on track 2, you can just place it on track 2. Now I noticed that, and then we'll just place something on track 3. We just keep stacking here on the empty tracks above, and it will add another one automatically. And if we activate, and I noticed that he did not have the magnetic timeline activated, but if he did activate that and also sync it with the timelines above, which is what the second icon means, then when you remove something from a timeline, it also removes the track if there's nothing else on that track. So that's how it's improved. It's actually a feature, not a bug.